I can feel your energy pulsating down my spine. Oh, oh. I am not the enemy. No need to run and hide.
Hi everyone, it's Kezzie over here from KezziesCorner and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kezia. I hope you get to stay. Before I start this video, I would like to just thank you guys for the support that you've shown on KezziesCorner, and just remind you that obviously KezziesCorner wouldn't be the same without you. I love seeing you guys' comments and replying to them, and I just would like to thank you and thank all my followers, even on my other social media. This experience has been quite amazing. So that's why today is an exciting video, because it's about something I received back I think 2 weeks ago, and I was so shocked by it. I never in a million years thought I would be receiving such a package, nor did I ever think I would ever deserve it. So for me to receive it was such a shock, and it came on the week of Easter. And I was feeling kind of a bit sad because I'm not going to be spending Easter holidays, basically Easter, with my family, and it was the first time that I've ever spent a holiday away from my family. So it was kind of like a hard week, but then I received this and I was like, oh my god, I can't believe this is happening. So yeah, basically today we're going to just be using the products that I received. If you don't follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, make sure you do, because I always post whenever things happen. So yeah, 2 weeks ago I received this. Like, I was so shocked. It's basically the collaboration that Pixi has done with some famous YouTubers, which I have been following. Like, there's one particular one which was the first, I think she was the first YouTuber that I've actually ever watched, and I still watch her to this day, and it's just amazing that I get to use something of hers, and Pixi sent it to me. It's just so unreal. So I just would like to thank Pixi. I really appreciate this. You have no idea. Thank you so much. I never thought I would deserve this. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So yeah, today's video is basically going to be showing you guys the products and also doing a makeup look using the products. So as you can see, they're a collaboration with Chloe, with Dulce, and also with Weylie. But basically they all came up with different products. So Chloe came up with this palette, which includes blush shades, eyeshadow shades, and brow shades. She also came up with this spicing. And then Dulce came out with this Café con Dulce. It's basically an eyeshadow palette including all shimmer shades. And then a lip palette as well. And then Weylie came up with this eyeliner, which I'm so excited to use, and another eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to be using a mix of all these products to create one look. I love this packaging, like, oh my goodness, Pixi, like, so cool. So I'm just gonna read to you what it said. I loved creating our new collection with these 3 beauty experts. They knew what they wanted, and it perfectly aligned with what we do at Pixi. Products that multitask with skincare benefits, bringing out natural beauty in all. XOXO Petra. So thank you so much, Petra. Before we start this video, I would like to remind you that if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe. And thank you to everyone who subscribed to my channel. Big thank you. And yeah, let's go on with the video and let's see what look we're going to create. Okay, so we're going to start with this one by Chloe. It's the palette Cloette Romantic Radiance. So like I said, there's 3 blush shades and then some eyeshadow shades, and also some eyebrow shades and an eyeliner shade as well that you can use as an eyeliner. We're going to start by filling up our brows, and I'm just going to use the light shade that comes in this like circle, this like pie circle. And yeah, this is my first impressions because I actually haven't tried out the products yet. Yeah, it's just a powder that helps fill in your brows. Just going to use some of the darker brown. Just go over everything. Just lightly dab it. So that's my brows done. I kind of really like how the powder filled in my brows. That was good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a mixture of the eyeshadow shades, and the first shade I'm going to use is from the Weylie palette. So I'm going to be using this one, which is called Potato, and I'm just going to be what cute name does it? Is it like a cute name? And I'm just going to be putting it in my crease. Okay, so once you're happy with that, I'm just going to go in with this burnt orange, which is called Beautis. This burnt orange right here. And I'm just going to do the same thing. Basically, you know, I think you got used to my techniques. I just happen to use different colors. Okay, and after we apply that burnt orange shade, which I love, I'm just going to finish off by just applying a little bit of Beautis, this one, on the outer corner. Build it up. And then taking that brush, just blend it inwards. You can just build it up some more. So now I'm just going to apply some concealer on my lids because we're going to obviously be applying a lighter shade, and that is what I always do. So like I always tell you, I like always putting my concealer on my arm, on my hand I mean, on my palm, and I'm just going to take it on a brush and applying it on my lid. Yeah, that's good. Now the other eye. And now I'm going to be applying a shade from Dulce's palette. I'm going to be applying this one, which is called Bon Bon. And I'm just going to be applying it all over my lids because I just think that this color is the cutest with this look. So I'm just going to dampen my brush to see if there's a different effect to that. So just dampen my brush and I'm just going to go in again to see if there's a different effect. Oh yeah, this is much better. So now I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing to just blend out the shades and make sure there's no harsh edges and everything just is blended perfectly. So again, I'm going to go into that burnt orange and just blend that away. Okay, so once you're happy obviously with that, I'm just going to apply a highlight, and the highlight that I really have been wanting to apply is this one right here, which is Itty Bitty, because it is so pretty. It's bitty because it's so pretty. So I'm just going to take that on a very small brush and just apply that in the inner corner. So I'm just gonna go clean up under my eyes and I'll be right back. Okay, so basically what I did was I just wiped underneath my eyes with a wet wipe and like just basically sharpen the edges over here. And now I'm just going to apply, where's that brush? Apply a brow bone highlight. I'm just going to use the same one I used for my inner corner. I'm just going to apply it on my brow bone. And now I'm just going to apply some shadow underneath, or else I'm actually not going to. Nope, I'm going to leave it like this because that's how I like it. Okay, so the next thing that I'm gonna try is this eyeliner, which was from Weylie's collection. It's basically It's called a black liner duo because you have a felt tip liner and a Kohl liner. So this is the felt tip liner. I'm just going to swatch. That is the felt tip liner. Look at that. And then we have the Kohl liner, which comes like this and it rolls. So that's the Kohl liner. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and apply. I'm sorry, but when I'm filming in Sterling, I really don't know how to film whilst doing my eyeliner on camera because I have it just is not possible. So just bear with me. I'm just going to go off camera and come right back. I'm just going to be using this one. Okay, so I'm back and I basically applied my eyeliner and my mascara, and I also did some bronzer as well. Anyways, the felt tip liner part of it I really love. It's what I have on my upper lash line basically. It's very pigmented, as you can see. It's not patchy at all, so it was very easy to apply my eyeliner on top. And then at the bottom I actually used the Kohl liner to apply some eyeliner at the bottom on my waterline. I like this look. I think with this look the Kohl liner really does look good, but I prefer just using felt tip liners in general. So yeah, so then I applied some mascara. I'm not going to apply lashes today, and I applied some bronzer, and now we're going to try out the blushes. So I'm just going to try out one of the blush shade. I think I'll try this one today because I think with this look maybe it will go better. So I'm going to be using Romance, and it's just this lovely pink shade, very pretty. And oh, this has like a little mirror. Okay, and for highlight I'm actually going to be applying a shade from Dulce's palette. I'm just going to use this one, Brillante, because look at it. It's just gorgeous. Like, look at that. I'm really bad at swatching. Ooh, so pretty. My goodness, everything seems to be falling today. Can you guys see the glow? I don't know, I'm seeing it, so hope you guys see it too. I'm just going to put some on my nose because I love putting some on my nose, and some on my Cupid's bow. Just going to blend that out. And now I'm just going to use Dulce's Sugar and Spice Lip Candy Palette to do our lips, to do something on our lips. I use this one, which is called Enamorada, which is this one right here. So pink, so pretty. So, but now I'm actually not ready. So I love this lip candy palette. There's so many to choose from. I just don't usually reach for cream lipsticks. However, I guess it's such a gorgeous shade. I love the one I applied. It's so pretty. So now I'm going to be using the Chloe Morello lip icing, and it's called Cake as well. So cute. And I'm just going to, oh my god, it smells so good. I'm just going to top it. I'm just going to top my lips off with this. It's so pretty. I love it. It smells so good. And okay, so I think this is the makeup look, and I just wanted to come in closer to show you the finished look. I really like it. I don't know. I really love the blush, the lipstick, everything about it is nice, and my eyes, especially because I used mostly the Weylie palette. I really love it. Yeah, and I love the eyeliner as well. So this is the finished look. So I'm just going to end this video over here, but before I do so, I will just give you a mini recap of the products. So I used Chloe Morello's palette basically for blush. I really love the blush. I think it blended in really well, and I also used the eyebrow shades, and I think that they filled in my eyebrows really well, so I really love this palette. The only thing is that this mirror is just way too small for me. I don't know, I don't see the use of this mirror, but apart from that, it's gorgeous. And then I used the Pixi Weylie eyeshadow palette. I really love this, especially the highlight shade, which is called Itty Bitty. So gorgeous, so pretty for an inner corner highlight and a brow bone highlight, and I just love the shades. They blended in nicely, and yeah, thumbs up from me. Love the eyeliner. I think it's something which is just a must-have in your makeup collection, because you have a Kohl liner and a felt tip liner in one, so if you like those both, it's just perfect. Also love the Dulce Candy Sweet Glow Café con Dulce eyeshadow palette. Again, this one, which was called Brillante, perfect for a cheekbone highlight. And then I also used the Bon Bon shade for my base eyeshadow base shade, and I really love it. As you can see, so pigmented, so gorgeous, so pretty, love. And finally, I used these two for my lips. So I used the Dulce's Lip Candy Sugar and Spice palette, and I used the Enamorada lip shade, which was this one right here. Very creamy, very soft and nice on the lips. Gorgeous. And then I also used Chloe's lip icing called Cake. Oh my god, this smells divine, and I don't mind it. It's like, usually I really don't like lip glosses and all that because they're all sticky and stuff like that, but I love this. So cute and not sticky. I just want to end the video now. So that was my review and first impressions on Pixi's collaboration with these lovely beauty experts, which they are basically. They're so amazing. I can't believe that I received such a package, and I never thought I would deserve such a thing. So yeah, I hope you like this makeup look that I created, and thank you so much to you guys. Thank you so much to Pixi for these lovely products, and I will join you again next Wednesday for another video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe. And I love you all. Have a lovely day, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye guys.